Hello students, I am your botany lecturer. My name is Rajeshwari. Welcome to the botany class. This is our first class. In this class, I will show the syllabus copy of your first sem botany. Okay. If you selected CBJ, then botany is one of the core subject for you. Okay. Here, for the first sem botany, there are 4 units. Okay, you have to write the theory and practical examination. Theory for 80 marks, practical examination for 40 marks. Theory examination, final theory examination is for 80 marks, and internal in the sense a small unit test which are conducted in the middle of the semester. 2 small units or unit test, the marks is 20 marks. Internal is assessment examination marks is 20 marks. Totally 80 marks you have to write for the theory examination plus 20 marks theory. Totally 100 marks for theory, and practical examination is for the 40 marks, 10 marks for the practical unit test. Totally 150 marks for one paper, that is botany. If you consider only botany, you have to write the 150 marks paper for one sem. Okay. Today I will show the syllabus copy. I will introduce the units. I will explain the important concepts. Everything I will introduce in this class. Just see here, this is the CBCS scheme of syllabus for the first sem botany students from RCU University, that is Rani Channamma University. Okay, you can see the line here with effect from academic year 2020 to 21 onwards. Okay, you can see the first column, that is sem. For the first STEM students, just focus on the first sem column and row paper code. Okay, forget all these things. Title of the paper, the first sem, the syllabus is biodiversity, which consists microbes, algae, fungi, archegonids. Okay, then see here hours per week and examination, theory examination, total marks. IA, that is internal assessment 20 marks, examination you have to write for the theory 80 marks, total 100 marks. Okay, then practicals you can see 10 marks for the IA, internal assessment 10 marks plus 40 marks. Final practical examination you have to write for 40 marks, totally 50 marks. Okay, theory examination for 100, practical examination for 50 marks, totally 150 marks. Next, you can see here for the first sem, focus on the paper title, biodiversity, microbes, algae, fungi and archegonids, marks 80 plus 20, 100. Okay, then hours of teaching is 60 hours. Okay, the first unit, there are totally 4 units are there. In the first unit, the syllabus starts from the basics like viruses. In the viruses, you have to study about a life cycle of the viruses, particularly the TMV viruses, tobacco mosaic viruses, and its life cycle like lytic and lysogenic cycle. Okay, the viruses discovery, general structure, general characteristics and reproduction, everything you have to cover in the first unit. Okay, in the first unit, the first topic, that is viruses. Okay, first you have to learn about the viruses. In that, a full detailed information of viruses and the type study, that is TMV virus, tobacco mosaic virus, and the economic importance of viruses you have to study. Okay, then a bacteria. Next topic, that is bacteria. If you don't have any syllabus copy, means you just take the screenshot, otherwise pause the video and write it down. In this next topic, that is bacteria, discovery of bacteria, general characteristics and cell structure, reproduction, vegetative, sexual and recombination. These are the types of sexual reproduction in the bacteria. Okay, just in the bacteria you have to understand general characteristics, reproduction, all the types of reproduction and economic importance. In the virus also you have to learn about the economic importance and also in bacteria. Next you have to learn about viral plant diseases. The viruses which causes the disease in the bacteria, a particular diseases are given: TMV viruses, vein clearing, dropting, yellowing MBB, TB diseases you have to discuss. Okay. Next one, bacterial plant diseases. After the viral diseases you have to focus on bacterial plant diseases. Particularly you have to discuss about 3 diseases only. In the viral diseases 4, but bacterial diseases just a 3 citrus canker, bacterial blight and crown gall diseases. Okay. Next, a second unit, just listen, a first unit teaching hours is 15 hours. Okay, second unit, it starts with algae. In the second unit, first topic, that is algae. Okay, algae general characterization, ecology, distribution, range of thallus organization, reproduction, classification of algae by Smith. Okay, first you have to discuss about calculation, general characteristics, distribution, morphology and life cycles of the following organisms like non-stalk, Idgonium, Wucheria, Volvox, Ectocarpus, Batractospermum. In algae, ಟೈಪ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಫಾಲಜಿ ಮತ್ತು ಲೈಫ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅಲ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್, ಇಡ್ಗೋನಿಯಂ, ಉಚೇರಿಯಾ, ವಾಲ್ವೋಕ್ಸ್, ಎಕ್ಟೋಕಾರ್ಪಸ್, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೆಟ್ರೋಸರ್ಮಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಲ್ಗೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್. ಓಕೆ, next topic in the second unit, fungi. In the fungi, introduction, general characteristic. Algae ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಸೇಮ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಗೈ. ಜನರಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್, ಎಕಾಲಜಿ, ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆನ್ಸ್, ರೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಾಲಸ್, cell wall composition. Okay, then type studies like Rhizopus, Penicillium, Cercospora, Puccinia, Agaricus with the class. Okay, algae have different classes. Okay, each class with one example. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಈಚ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಫಂಗಲ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ have the viral diseases and bacterial diseases. Third one, that is the fungal diseases. In the fungal diseases, I have to learn about late blight of potato, white rust of Fulvio candida, black rust of Fuchsinia, Bowery mildew, powdery mildew and early blight of tomato. Okay, then next one, symbiotic association with lichen. The symbiotic association lichen, you have to learn about lichens. Lichens are the specialized categories of the plant. They are the combinations of algae and fungi. Okay, that you have to discuss or learn. Lichen introduction, reproduction, significance. In that you have to discuss about mycorrhiza, ectomycorrhiza, endomycorrhiza and their significance. Okay, this is all about second unit. It also have the 15 hours teaching. Next unit, that is the third unit. In that third unit, introduction of archegonids and finally unifying features of archegonids, transition to land habits, alternation of generation. Okay, after fungi, next one, that is the first land plants, bryophytes. Before that, archegonids you have to learn. Then bryophytes. A general characteristic features of bryophytes: adaptation to the land habitat, classification, thallus organization, classification up to family, just focus, classification up to families, morphology, anatomy, reproduction of type studies like Riccia, Markensia, Anthoceros, Funaria. There are totally 4 class type studies in the bryophytes. Algae, in the algae 4, in fungi you have to discuss about 5 type studies. In the bryophytes again 4. Riccia, Markensia, Anthoceros, Funaria. Okay, just focus in the brackets. Development details not to be included. Okay, the development details are not necessary. Then lastly, ecology and economic importance of bryophytes with special mention of sphagnum. The economic importance of bryophytes, just you have to focus on the functions of or economic importance of the sphagnum. Sphagnum is a one type of the bryophyte. It is widely used for medicine and medicine and other packing processes. That's why sphagnum is one of the most important bryophyte. Last unit, that is the 4th unit. Just focus. First one, algae, fungi. In the third we discussed, means in third chapter you have to discuss about bryophyte. In the last one, that is pteridophyte. Pteridophyte, usually general characteristics, classification, early land plants like Lepidodendron, Lepidocarpon, Calamites. Then classification up to family, morphology, anatomy and reproduction of Selaginella. Here just focus 3 type studies in the pteridophytes: Selaginella, Equisetum and Pteris. Okay, just focus. Developmental details are not to be included. Then important concept in the pteridophyte, that is heterospory and seed habit. Heterospory and seed habit. Then stellar evolution, ecology and economic importance of pteridophyte. Economic importance of pteridophyte lastly. Okay, the second point in the 4th unit, that is gymnosperm. The gymnosperm, in the gymnosperm, general characteristics, classification here also up to families, morphology, anatomy and reproduction of cycles. Here also 3 type studies in a gymnosperm: Cycas, Netum, Pinus. These are the examples. Developmental details not to be mentioned. Okay, then lastly, ecological importance and economic importance. Okay, this is all about the first STEM syllabus. Okay, this is your botany syllabus for the first SEM. Just understand the syllabus and pattern. You have to learn this syllabus. You have to understand each and every concept. You have to write the final theory examination for 80 marks and practical for the 40 marks. Practical syllabus and theory syllabus is very different. Okay, this is your theory syllabus. There are 4 units. In that 4 unit you have to write 100 marks theory paper. Okay, in the next class I will start with the unit 1. Okay, I will start the viruses firstly, then I will explain the next topic in the first unit, bacteria. Like this we have to start the syllabus. I hope all of you getting this one. Please take the screenshot of the syllabus copy. We will continue in the next class.